should we do today? I don't know.
It's very nice and sunny.
Okay, let's sway in the wind. It's nice and sunny.
Oh, Mimi, hold my hand.
Okay, Bobo. Look at the birds. I wish I could fly.
Me too, but we can't.
Look! What is over there? Where? Where?
Oh, I see something white on the grass.
It's white and round. Let's go and look.
It's a treasure. It's round and white.
It's an egg. Yay! We found an egg.
What do we do?
Be careful, Bobo. It can break. Let me hold it. Here you go, Mimi. It's my turn now.
Let's go back and put under the tree trunk.
Good idea. Come on! We have to catch it. Hurry up, Bobo.
I'm going to catch it.
Bobo put the egg on the leaf. Yay! It's going to be Egg's bed.
I am scared.
Don't be scared, Bobo. Whose egg is it?
We don't know,
But we will keep it safe.
it looks like a bluebird's egg.
No, it's a chicken egg.
No,
It's an owl egg. It doesn't matter. We love it. Yay! Oh, it moved. Did you see it?
Yeah, we saw it.
Wow! A baby is inside.
Really?
Yuppie! Look, I see a feather. No, it's a beak.
I think it's an eye.
We have a baby blue bird.
Tweet, tweet. I was right. It's a blue bird.
It's so small.
Look, that's the mommy.
I will hold the bird up. Yeah, it will fly to its mommy. Bye, baby bird. Come back and see us.
Yay! It's